Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how you can fix Valorant error code van79. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, go to settings. On settings, go to Windows Update and make sure your operating system is fully updated. And if it's not, check for updates and do some updates here, right? And then if it's still not working, go to search, services, then you need to click on one of the tasks here and then press V. And then you should find VGC, right click on it, go to properties, and then make sure that startup type selected automatic and then service status is should be running. If it's not running, if it says stopped, start, right? And apply the changes. And also, if you found VGC on automatic and running, what I suggest you to do here is to right click on it, go to and restart VGC. And if it's not working, then another thing that I suggest you to do here is to go look for Valorant app, right click on it, go to open file location, again, find a properties, compatibility, and make sure disable full screen optimizations and run this program as administrator is selected as well. Still, if it's not running, open up CMD, right click on it, run as admin, and then here you need to write a few commands. First one is IP config /flush DNS, and another one is nesh winsock reset. And after that, restart your computer. If it's not working, then go to settings, again, network and internet, then look for advanced network settings, go to network reset and reset your network. And look if the problem persists. If the problem persists, then just go to your internet connection here, more adapter options, go to internet protocol version 4, and then select use the following DNS server addresses and just write here 8.8.8.8, and then on alternate write 8.8.4.4, apply the changes and look if the problem persists, right? So yeah, that's pretty much it.